Did you know two fake cops pulled off the biggest art heist in history in just 81 minutes? March 18th, 1990. Two men dressed as Boston police officers walked up to the Isabella Stewart Gardner Museum at 1 in the morning. They told the night guards they were investigating a disturbance. The guards believed them and opened the door. Big mistake. The fake cops immediately handcuffed both guards and got to work. For the next hour and 21 minutes, they systematically stole 13 priceless artworks. Paintings by Vermeer, Rembrandt, and Degas worth over $500 million. These weren't random thieves. They knew exactly what to target. This was expert planning. Security cameras only caught empty frames swinging on the walls. The thieves themselves? Never captured on film due to motion detector malfunctions. Despite a $10 million reward and decades of FBI investigation, neither the thieves nor the artwork have been recovered. Those empty frames still hang in the museum today. 34 years later, this remains Boston's greatest unsolved mystery.